pay for ads on TikTok, follow these steps. Create a TikTok Ads account. Visit TikTok's ad platform, the TikTok Ads Manager. Sign up or log into your account. Choose your campaign objective. Select your advertising goals such as app installs, website traffic, or brand awareness. Define your audience. Specify your target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and other relevant factors. Set your budget and schedule. Determine your ad campaign's budget, either a daily budget or a total campaign budget, and set the schedule for your ads. Select ad placement. Choose where you want your ads to appear on TikTok, whether in the For You feed, branded effects, or the Discover tab. Create ad content. Develop engaging ad content, videos or images with captivating captions or music that resonates with TikTok's creative style and your campaign objectives. Review and launch. Review all settings and ad content. Once satisfied, launch your TikTok ad campaign. Monitor performance. Use TikTok's Ad Manager to track your ads performance, including metrics like views, engagement, and conversions. Adjust your campaign settings based on analytics to optimize your ads' effectiveness.